Hey everybody, I'm Teacher Rita and welcome to my Success Channel. I'm a middle school teacher and like many of my colleagues and teachers all over the country, I have to earn extra income to make ends meet for things like bills, food, and putting gas in the car every week. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can earn income from home. I've been earning income from home for about 5 years with online tutoring, and I'm going to talk to you about that today. I've been tutoring online for about 5 years, as I said, and I work for multiple companies. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the company called Cambly. Cambly is an online platform to teach English to non-native speakers. You don't have to have any experience to work for this company. You only need a good command of the English language. Most of the sessions with students are conversational in nature. However, some sessions are academic. For example, students might upload a lesson that they want you to work with them on, or they may request that you upload a paragraph for them to read so that you can hear and correct their pronunciation. Most sessions last between 5 minutes and 1 hour. And you earn 17 cents per minute, $10.20 an hour. That's not bad for at-home work. But the most exciting part is that you get to chat with people from all over the world. You get to learn about their culture. You get to teach them about yours. So, how do we get started? First, you will go to Cambly.com, and I will put in a referral link for this site. Once you get to this page, you're going to click Sign Up. You will put in some basic information, um, like your name and email address. You will do a bio and you will do an introductory video. Also, if you have not already, please set up a PayPal account. This is how you get paid. PayPal account, go to paypal.com. I will also put that link in, and it's a very simple process. Once your account is approved, you will get a dashboard. This is a quick view of my dashboard. As you can see, there's a button switched to invisible. That means I'm not available for tutoring. If I want students to see that I'm available, I will simply switch it to visible. Once a student selects me and makes a call, I pick up the special ringtone and the session begins. You can start with things like, "Hi, what's your name? My name is." You can ask about their family, where they're from, and so forth. And you'll get used to the conversations as time goes along. Also, when you're at Visible, you can multitask. You can listen to music. If you're a teacher, you can grade papers. You can do other paperwork. You can watch a video on YouTube like I do. So you can multitask while you're on Cambly. You can also sign up for priority hours. I recommend this. Priority hours are peak hours whereby Cambly wants to make sure that there are enough tutors to meet the traffic of the students during those times. Notice that you see completed at the top of the calendar on December 14th. This is a priority hour that I chose to work on, which was 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I actually worked until almost 6:30 because my last student chimed in at about 5 minutes to 6, and it was a 30-minute session, so it went past 6 o'clock. And the thing about priority hours, if you do not get any students during that time, Cambly will still pay you for 15 to 30 minutes. You also get to keep track of your history, which includes your total talk time, the number of chats, the number of students you met, and of course, how much money you have made. You can see my total payments that I've made, that I've earned, and you can see my current balance. Cambly pays out every Monday. So my current balance, whatever it is, will be transferred to my PayPal account. And then you can do whatever you want to do through your PayPal account. For me, I transfer it to my bank and then I use the monies from there. And that's Cambly in a nutshell. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time on my Success channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and leave comments and questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.